Alright guys, welcome to Don's Tech Gaming channel. Right, and recently, right, I've bought a new laptop. If you haven't checked out my unboxing video, right, you can see it over here. Right, and also today, right, I've recently hopped on the mining bandwagon, right, and just to try out right mining for myself. Right, and I found this particular software to right rather easy. Right, the interface looks very clean and simple and easy to understand, and I found it very easy to use as well. Right, and of course, right, I'm just starting to learn about mining, and of course, there's a lot of the technicalities behind it, but let's not bother about all the difficult technical details, and maybe just explore into the goal of mining and how to um, how to maximize the performance computer. Right, I found the journey to be rather enriching, and so I would like to share with you guys how to actually underclock, overclock your computer, and you can check out those videos in my channel. Okay, so this video, I'm just going to introduce you to kryptex. Okay, this is a software that started to mine with, and find the interface very user friendly. Okay, so kryptex, okay, you can just do a search, it should point you to this URL, okay, to kryptex.org. Okay, so when you land at this website, it will immediately ask you to actually download text. Okay, so you can download kryptex and install it on your PC, and right so don't need to worry if your antivirus actually flags out text as a malware or virus. Okay, that's because usually miners tend to um, kind of like flag out as false positive. Okay, and okay, so yeah, when you run kryptex, okay, after installing for the first time, and when you run it, okay, your antivirus might catch some of these files, okay, and detect it as a false positive. Okay, so first off, when you actually install kryptex, you do have to turn off your virus scanner of or your virus scanner, okay, or the Windows Defender itself. Okay, so for your if you have any virus scanner installed, okay, you do have to turn it off. Okay, so like for example for the okay, you have to again turn off the live scanning okay when you are installing. Okay, so after you install, and after installing, you do have to do a benchmark, okay, for the first time. Okay, so you can see the gear icon over here. Bring this up, and then click on the run benchmark. Okay, so this will start the benchmarking process. Okay, and it will start to put your computer under test. Okay, you can also switch between the simple mode and pro mode as well. Okay, and so yeah, okay, the simple mode will just show you a very simple interface. Okay, the pro mode will actually right show you this interface. Okay, and it shows you how much hash rate you're getting, how much power you're drawing, what your computer temperature is running at, okay, so and so forth. Okay, so usually for mining, your computer GPU will always run at percent usage. Okay, So when you're doing your other like Word documents or whatever, you can surf the net as per normal. But even when you are mining, okay, I would recommend, however, when you're playing games, okay, you can turn your mining off, right? Because mining is quite heavy, right? So gaming you should just turn it off. Okay. So when you're mining, okay, do take note that you should always mine at a temperature, right, that is safe for mining, right? The safe temperature is recommended to be 60 to 70 degrees. Okay, any hotter than that, okay, is not favorable, right? Um, okay, so 70 to 80, okay, is the temperature that it should not be at for long term. Okay, and over 80, okay, is where your GPU will start throttling, right? So when it hits 80, okay, basically danger. Okay, so right, that's for mining temperatures. Okay, so after you download the kryptex software and you installed it, right, and then when you start to run the benchmark, okay, you might encounter some issues. Okay, so what you should do is actually before running the benchmark, okay, you should actually go to your virus scanner, okay, and turn off all sorry, not turn off, okay, but actually go and right add um add the files to exclusion. Okay, so for McAfee, right, it's actually under here when I click on the live scan. Okay, for McAfee it doesn't allow you to put the entire exclude entire folders. It only allows you to exclude one by one file. Okay, so actually the files that needs to be excluded is actually all the exe file. Okay, and it can actually be found under right, the whole path is actually over here, right? So let me just show you where it is. Okay, so before you can actually see because all these files usually are found in hidden files. Okay, so you have to click on view, okay, and click on the hidden items, right? So when you click on the hidden items, you'll be able to see all the hidden folders in your computer. Okay, so you should go into your C drive users, okay, under your user, okay, AppData Local, okay. So this is the folder that you need to exclude. One is the local, okay, and then yep, okay, program files. Okay, I will leave the path, okay, of the folders right in the description of this video for your reference. Okay, so the path, right, is right this right under local programs, then kryptex-app. Okay, so you should exclude these folder right in your virus scanner scan. Okay, next is data roaming, right? Once again, text folder. Okay, so this is the other folder that you should exclude. Okay, however, for McAfee, you're only able to exclude right the exact files. Okay, so for McAfee, right, I have to exclude all the exe file which can be found under the add data roaming cryptex. Okay, and inside the folder there's also another folder called miners. Okay, so I have to exclude all these exe. Okay, so after you have excluded the folders, okay, you will be able to run your benchmark, okay, and your virus scanner will not complain, okay, about the files anymore. Okay, uh, yeah, do be rest assured that it's 100% safe, right? There's no malicious intent, okay, in plain text. Okay, so the reason why antivirus scanner software, okay, always flags, okay, minus um, as threats because right when you run minus, right, there has to be large volumes of data right flowing in and out. okay, causing right a huge amount of traffic, okay, which usually or antivirus will find it unusual, okay, and it will flag, okay, as a threat, okay. But do not worry, okay, it's a natural behavior, okay, of miners, okay, and so you do have to uh, exclude right those files from your scan, okay, in order to allow cryptex to function, okay. All right, so yeah, I hope you have found the video useful. Right, do check out my other videos on overclocking and underclocking, right, to learn about how to actually run your miners, right, at the optimal settings, right, to run right miners safely, right, and also optimally, right, and also do use my affiliate link and join me in the journey of mining, right. So I hope you enjoyed the video, right. Bye bye.